What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another exciting videos right here at Rebecca's. I am Floyd. So today we're gonna be looking for big cars, man, like 7 seaters, 14 seaters. So our first car for the day, our first bus for the day, is this Opel. Yeah, man, I really love this color, man. I really love this color. So let's check this one. So this is the 2022 Opel Zarifa Life, which is going for 476,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So looking to pay 8,834 per month. It has 81,967 kilometers on the clock. I really love this color, man. I really love this color. As you can see, man, by the color of this car, that yo, man. Even this thing is too big. Even this thing, it is too big. It has a tow hitch there. I think if you wanna do like tourism and stuff, you can get this combi. I think you can get this combi. I think they are locked. Yeah, it is locked. But you have your multifunction steering wheel, your infotainment system, closed seats. It's automatic. It's an automatic. But I really love this color, man. I really do. So let's check campus. Let's check this one, man. What you call a router? This one. This one, because we have done this one long before. We have done this one, so let's check this one. Let's check Hyundai. So this is a 2024 Hyundai Staria, which is going for 664,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 12,164 per month. It has 55,051 kilometers on the clock. It is still okay. It is still okay. Even the mileage, it is decent. So yeah, man, if you wanna do a tourism, you can come and check those cars. Yeah, to buy cars. So if you haven't subscribed, guys, please do so. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. If I don't do so, they said I will go back to school. So guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Yeah, but this thing is ugly. Yeah. This thing, it is ugly. It is flat here at the back. Ainanyana wama design wama ezinyana. It is flat. So the interior, multifunction steering wheel, gear there, touchscreen, 3 seats, leather, decent. Everything is auto, electric, man. I mean electric. So yeah, man. It is there, but we are done with review on this Hyundai. But the car that I'm looking at is this one. Ooh, just look at these star rims. Ooh, this one, chief. Even the mileage on this car, I think it is high. By the look of it, is that hey, the person who's been like owning this car was not sitting down. I was not. I was not sitting down. But one thing I've realized about this car is that they smoke a lot, man. People that don't service this type of vents. But this one, it is too clean. It is too clean. So this is 2018 UWT6 Caravelle, which is going for 532,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So looking to pay 9,826 per month. It has 112,143 kilometers in the clock. Ah, it is as you can see, it is mwah. Oh, you can't complain here, chief. You know, You can't. When you buy this thing, man, you don't even have to buy rims. Everything is there. The tire, it is good. Profile, it is okay. They're going to tell you when you on the technical report, they're going to tell you about the suspension. Just look at this size, man, of tire. Just look. This one, chief. This one, chief. Gosh, this one, chief. You have a choice there. It is down. This car. They're going to tell you about suspension. They're going to tell you about suspension here. But this car, it is insane, dog. It is insane. This one. It is insane. Maybe you can see the interior of this car, but you have a multifunction steering wheel, leather seats, infotainment system, manual shifter. There's nothing too much here, but here, chief, there's a Toyota bus here somewhere. I want to show you. That's the only car that made me do this video because I never wanted to do this video, but I saw that bus. I said, "Yo, let me do a video about those buses." Where's this? Let's check this Mercedes Benz. Let's check this Mercedes Benz. This one, chief. Hey, it's too much. It is too much. This one, hey, chief. Yeah, chief. Yeah, we're going to pay millions. Going to pay millions here. Aha. It is. We are betting here. It's a million. Let's check the one that we are not. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. Let's check this. This one I don't think is million. This one is way younger than that one. So this is the 2016 Mercedes-Benz Viano V260, which is going for 435,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan with Tech. It has 197,844 per month, kilometers. Yeah, man, but it is okay. Let's do a walk around so that we can know what we are dealing with. This one is an old one. I wanted this one, that one. Just that they are betting. We check the other one. It has a twin. Check the other one after this one. I don't want to make this video long, but leather seats, manual shifters, multifunction steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Let's check whether it's the same car. 2022 Mercedes Benz. It's not. It's not. I wanted to check this one. This one, hey, this one is too much. But the car, the bus that I wanted to shoot, that I've never shoot on the channel, are those two. Let's check. Let's check which one is not on pet before we record. Before we record, let's check this one. Just look at this thing, man. You know, just look at this thing. So this is the 2024 Toyota Quantum 2.8, which is going for 545,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So looking to pay 10,056 per month. It has 27,648 kilometers in the clock. So when this thing came out, people said, "Nah, we ain't gonna buy this thing. We ain't gonna buy this thing." And lots of companies bought this thing, man. I think these two cars, they're coming from one company. As you can see by the way it looks, seems like owned by one person. By the way they are, man, they are the same. Same thing, same style. Seems like one person had a company, then sell them, you know. But they are, man, I would love, if I had cash, I would love to buy them or finance them. I really love these cars, man. You have a tow hitch there. This one has a bar. This one doesn't have. But yeah, man. I think they come from one person. Yeah. The main reason I did this video is because of this thing. Whew, it's the same as that one, but this one is exclusive. This one is exclusive, chief. It's the same car, but this one exclusive. This one exclusive, chief. You know. So this is the it's on by 2022 Toyota Quantum, 917,000. So it's a category A, meaning we can finance the car. So it has 66,791 kilometers the clock. This is the reason made me do this video, dog. Ah, this one is a beast. This one is a beast, dog. You know, it's made for us, for transporters. This one, if you do tourism and stuff, this is the right car to buy. I don't think it's the same. Even the lights here, the back, they are different. This one is a Quantum. Even this one, but the lights are different. They have different purposes. So let's check the interior. Ish, yeah, guys. This one is on. This one is on. This one is on. Yeah, man. That's it about our last video for the day. Please subscribe if you haven't. Love and peace.